Imagine this: a legendary American icon, reborn for the modern era. The Chevrolet Bel Air, a name that screams 1950s cool. Could it make a shocking return? While GM says not yet, designers and fans aren't giving up on the dream. So, what would a new Bel Air look like? Buckle up, we're diving into these stunning concepts that could bring this classic back to life. The Bel Air legacy. Why it still matters. The Bel Air wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of freedom, style, and American innovation. From its chrome details to its tail fins, this car defined an era. But could that magic work today? Modern concept designs, a sneak peek. Designers are reimagining the Bel Air with a sleek, low-profile body, keeping those iconic curves but adding sharp, modern lines. Think bold grills, LED lighting, and a stance that screams performance. Some concepts even give it a coupe-like roofline. Pure nostalgia meets 21st century aggression. The interior, retro meets high-tech. Inside, imagine premium leather, a futuristic digital cockpit, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system, all wrapped in a cabin that nods to the 50s but feels space-age. Would you want a two-tone white and red interior? Because we do. Performance, electric muscle. Under the hood, rumors suggest GM could go hybrid or even full electric. Picture this: 400 plus horsepower, instant torque, and zero emissions, but with a synthetic engine note that honors the Bel Air's roots. The best of both worlds? Will GM actually bring it back? Right now, GM says no plans, but fan demand is real. If enough of us rally, who knows? The Dodge Challenger and Ford Bronco proved classics can make epic comebacks. Maybe the Bel Air's next in line. So what do you think? Should Chevrolet revive the Bel Air, or should it stay a timeless legend? Drop your dream specs in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep the hype alive. Until next time, keep dreaming big.